Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what's up? What you got?
Bottom up solutions as opposed to top down solutions.
Okay.
Before you make snarky off color comments.
You know me so well.
Yeah. Okay. So we've been all around this. When I talk about, hey, big problems were created by many small problems. So a large solution for the construction industry will be created by many small solutions.
Yeah.
When we talk to DPR about how they're gathering intel from like the field, from their people.
Yeah. That was Lee's episode. Yeah.
Yes. Mm-hmm. So all of that is coming from the heart of this bottom up solution. So that the idea is just what it sounds like is that we're going to go in, we say bottom, like organizationally, you've kind of got a little, pyramid formed. Maybe you're in a perfectly flat organization. They're out there.
Yeah.
But chances are there's some hierarchy. And you got leadership, and many times that leadership comes up with a great idea and they go, hey, programmatically, we're going to push this down.
Yeah.
What I'm proposing is that we need to go to the people that have the hammer in hand, the person that's turning the screw, the person that's, out there putting the wire in, and we need to ask them about the problems that they're feeling, get that feedback loop, which is another recurring theme in here. But then we need to get them to propose solutions for that as well. What makes sense? How, what saves you time? How would you do that better? It was amazing how there were just simple things that DPR uncovered that they needed to start taking care of. And they were fairly simple solutions, right?
Yeah.
Like, oh, well, you need a water source. We need maybe better bathrooms. We need whatever. It's amazing how quickly, we can start to uncover and unpack some things. Maybe it's got a little bit of a lean type of bend to it as well, where, that assembly line is being operated on. And if and when somebody sees a problem, they can throw a stop on it so that we can fix the line. Mm-hmm. Right now, we probably need to be asking the people on the line, hey, will you throw a stop on some things when you see inefficiency? Inefficiency is out there. I see it all the time. There are times when I try to throw a stop on it and the train just doesn't want to stop. That people don't want to hear it, that we're going to do stupid because stupid's on the plans or stupid's in the program or stupid's just what we always do. Yeah. So going to the bottom and asking the people that are out there actually doing the work, how are we going to solve for this construction problem that we have, and listening better.
Yeah. There's a lot more buy-in when that happens too.
There is. Yes.
Yeah. Top down has this tendency to be like, yeah, it came down from on high. They don't actually know what's going on out here, that sort of thing. But if you get the bottom of the pyramid engaged in solving that problem, guess what? Your field crew is actually engaged. They're excited about the fact that, hey, this could work.
Yep.
A lot of times, we got to go hat in hand to them and just say, hey, what's up?
Yep.
How can we help? Be a servant, and I think that's kind of where that comes from, right? Is, this bottom up leadership of be a servant to everybody in the pyramid or across the organization, be a servant and ask.
Yeah. A lot of great leaders are marked by the time they spend with the men and women they're trying to lead.
Yeah.
They come out of the office, they come out of HQ, and they engage.
Yep.
And it's just like many 5 Minute Fridays are, a reminder. Like, come out of the office, come out of HQ, come out of what you're doing, and try to listen to the people around you. How's it going? What do you need? What do you lack? What's dumb? What can we do better? And start asking those questions so that you can improve your processes. Get the feedback, and then implement. The one killer to this, the absolute knife in the heart of the bottom-up solution is asking, receiving the information, and then failure to follow through. Even if we're not going to do that because But that failure of following through on the advice you're given from the people that are out there, man, what a lost opportunity. You may have good reason for doing it the way you're doing it. Maybe what you're going to find out is you just haven't informed everybody why you do it that way. And you have an opportunity to teach why you're doing it. Regardless, you gotta come back to it. You can't take, feedback from people and then just say nothing. So
example of this and a good little, I'll throw out another podcast that you could check out. Business Movers by Wondery. They did a series on Sam Walton, Walmart.
Yeah.
Okay. Go check that out. And we could try to link that in the show notes. That'd be great. But there's basically just throughout this whole series, they're talking about how Sam would walk around with his yellow legal pad and talk to people and just take notes and just ask them, hey, what's going on? What's going on? And there was a specific instance where I think they were building a new distribution center and there was a leaky roof, the bathrooms weren't hooked up. It was bad. And seeing how he navigated some of that with some of these people that were, kind of the lower tier in the organization. Yep. Seeing how he handled that. So that's that. I'm going to point you in that direction. There's a decent example of that. But all right, guys. Well, there you have it. Hope you got some stuff to stew on this weekend. Go build something awesome.